Hey y'all, today I'm going to make a recipe from that 1992 cookbook, from that Cane Creek Cookbook, and this one's called lemon squares. Here it is right here, and I will go ahead and put this at the end of the video as well, lemon bars. So that sounded nice and refreshing for today, so let's get to it. Are you ready? Let's go. First thing I have to do is make this crust, and it calls for 1 cup of margarine, so I'm going to use imperial margarine, and you need 1 cup, so that's 2 sticks. And now I have to add a 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and cream these together. Sift in the flour with a wooden spoon. It's 2 cups of plain flour. I'm assuming that means all-purpose. There's the dough, the crust, not the dough, the crust. I'll spread in the bottom and sides of a 13 by 9 inch pan. Now I'm going to spray it with just a little spritz of this pan baking spray. Spread into the bottom. So that's what I'll do. I'm probably going to use my hands to do that. All right, I got that in there. Yeah, I don't think I should have sprayed the pan. Look how oily this is. I'm going to go ahead, what's it say? Bake 15 to 20 minutes at 350 degrees. So I'll go pop it in the oven right now. Okay. It's out of the oven and it's a little bit cool, so I'm going to put it back over here. And this next part, the filling. Combine all the filling ingredients in a blender. Equipment malfunction. 4 eggs. So I'm going to put 4 eggs in this thing. 1 3/4 cups of sugar. 1/3 cup of lemon juice. 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. 1/3 cup of plain flour. I hope it's not like an I Love Lucy episode, and when I turn this on, it's just going to go everywhere. Yikes. All right, combine all filling ingredients in blender and mix until smooth. Pour over the baked crust. Bake 20 to 25 minutes. Here it goes into the oven. Okay, there it is. Now, that doesn't look quite brown to me, but y'all, I have left that in that oven. Instead of 20 to 25 minutes, it's been 45 minutes. So right there it is, and now I have to let it cool. It does smell good. Okay, there it is. It's all cooled off, and I'm going to put some powdered sugar on top and give it a cut. Oh, it came right out. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? It's not too lemony. It is good. Would I make this again? I would, but I would take into consideration the bake time overall was instead of 25 minutes, it was 45, so another 20 minutes. So when I cook the crust, I would leave it into the oven longer than 20 minutes. I would do maybe 30, 35. It would probably brown that crust a little more. But yeah, it's really good. Lemon squares, 1992 cookbook from a church cookbook. Make that. Yum.